Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my first use of this mini sewing machine that is very portable. It's maybe around 1.5 kgs in weight. So let's see what is inside. So the box did not look very well packed. It came crumpled, but the piece itself inside is secure, as you can see. So it comes with an extra set of bobbins and needles, and it has to be coming with a manual. So make sure you read the manual. I've just gone through it. I've not read it in detail. Some of the things are not very easy to understand. So, and then here it comes with a foot pedal. This is the one that you press to make the machine sew. So that is connected right around there. And then this goes to the floor. And then we also have a power cable. And then realize that it also has the option of using 4 AA batteries. So you can also use batteries, but I prefer to use the electric option. But the batteries come in handy if you don't have electricity or you have a power outage. So this goes to the main, like that, and then you connect it on that end. So when you put it on, there is a light that comes up right around there, so that it illuminates the fabric that you're going to be sewing, as you can see. So it comes with a fabric already in the machine that has been sewed. So just the precautions to note is that whenever you're changing your needle or anything around this place, make sure you switch off your machine. You can switch it off at the mains, or you can switch it off here. Okay. Okay, now it is in its off position. So for now, just switch it off from the mains. Yeah, when it's down completely, that means it's on, and on means it's stitching. When it's off, it is protruding, like you see. So now we are going to try and repair something with the machine and see how it works. Okay, so even before you begin, again, just make sure that it's switched off at the main and everything is connected, especially the foot pedal that we are going to be using to stitch. I find it easier to stitch with the foot pedal as opposed to pressing this button, because it's easier to coordinate. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to lift up this plate by doing that, and then you have to ensure that the needle is at the highest position by turning that knob. So I've already turned it, so it's at the highest position. And then once you've done that, we're going to repair this pullover of mine that is torn from that end to that end. So to do this, we are going to bring the pieces together like that, and I am going to insert them underneath that place, like that. And then what you want to ensure is that while the machine is turned off, you want to do some manual stitches on the pullover or on the fabric by turning this knob. Okay, so just drop the plate, and then you're going to do 2 or 3 manual stitches like so. And then once you've done that, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on our machine. As you can see, the light has gone on. And then we're going to press the foot pedal as we gently pull our pullover in the opposite direction. And let's see what happens. Remember, you can stop at any time just to readjust your pullover or your fabrics. Then you can continue. We're almost done. You can see that end needs to come together. Remember, this is my first time doing it, so I'm not aiming for perfection. I'm just aiming so that the pullover is repaired. So continue pressing the foot pedal. Once I get to that point, since there seems to be a node, I'm just going to turn it like that so that it exits. And then I'm going to continue pressing the foot pedal. Then once you're done with one part, just make sure that you pull, you stitch through. Then there is like 2 inches so that it allows you the length to cut. Then you can come and cut there. Then we are going to check the work that we've done. Look at that. Isn't that a good stitch? And so there's only one small bit that needs to be done, which is here. So that we're going to repeat the same thing that we did at the start, which is lifting the plate. Just make sure it's off. So just lift the plate and ensure the needle is at the highest position, like that. And then you're going to insert your fabric gently, ensuring that you don't mess up the string. Then once again, while it's still in its off position, we're just going to do 2 manual stitches. Just return the plate to the floor, like so. Then do like 2 stitches or 3. And then light up your machine once again. And then you're just going to press the foot pedal and you're going to stitch from that side to this side. Okay. So it did a good job. Don't know if you can see the stitch right there. But also what I noticed is that if you force the fabric to go through a thicker part, it will dislodge the thread from the needle, as it has done now. So that I'll have to rethread that needle once again. So guys, that's how you stitch using this portable mini sewing machine. And this was my first time using it. It did not jam, and I did not need to rethread until the last stage. And then also you'll notice that these machines come with another thread at the bottom. So there's a bobbin there and there's a bobbin on this side. So it stitches using 2 threads. That I did not know. So rethreading that bobbin or ensuring the thread goes through the right channel, that's the most difficult thing to do. But we are going to come to that at another video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of my first time use. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.